In this video, you will learn about features, which can ensure that the same type of design objects, such as center lines or geologic interpretations, will have the same appearance and attributes across your entire project. The Open Pit module automatically assigns groups to toe and crest strings, then calls on a special feature set that controls the color and line style of strings created by Open Pit tools. For this design, all crest strings were created with this feature set, which ensures all crest strings are solid purple lines. Toe strings appear as blue lines because the pit $berm feature set was used to create these lines, and that feature set is configured so all pit toe strings are blue. While the Open Pit tools use a limited feature set for a specific purpose, you can configure more robust feature sets to help you create or modify other types of design data. This dataset includes a feature configuration file with the extension FTD. A feature configuration file may contain several feature sets. This FTD file contains a feature that you can apply to road strings. You can apply the feature to the existing road object to ensure consistent attributes are applied to all roads in your project. Notice that the PIT road object is not assigned to a group. To apply a feature to an existing design object, select the Design menu, Attribute Edit, and Feature. Pick the feature you want to apply to your design object. Now you can choose the method you would like to use to select that object that should take on the characteristics of the new feature. Right-click twice when you are done selecting objects. You receive a prompt for the object name because the road feature is configured to prompt you for this piece of information. The current name of the object displays in the panel. You can click OK to keep the current object name or enter a new name for the object. The object appearance changed to reflect the attributes configured in the road feature. The line has the object name you entered in the panel. The feature also changed the color and line style of the object. In addition, the object description changed, and the road line now belongs to the roads group. The property editor reflects the feature used to control object attributes. You can also use features to control the appearance of new design objects. To get started, load the facilities layer and the topography triangulation. First, take a moment to register the facilities strings to topography. To do this, select the Design drop-down menu, then Object Edit and Register. Before you select the menu option, click in the black Vulcan work area to ensure that no design data is highlighted. You can click OK to select panel defaults. Choose to select objects to register by layer so you can register the entire facilities layer at the same time. Right-click to indicate you are done selecting objects to register. You can make the topography 50% translucent with the double blue spheres on the visibility toolbar. Right-click when you are done selecting objects to make translucent. Now you can use the road feature to create a road line from the facilities to the pit. To create a new object with an existing feature, select the Design menu, Create, and Features. Pick the road feature and click OK. The feature is configured to prompt you for the layer where you want to store the road. You can choose an existing layer or enter a new layer name. The feature configuration also knows to prompt you for an object name. Now you can digitize the road just as you would digitize any other line. The difference is that the selected feature will control the attributes of your resulting line.